Hey guys, I'm Brainventor and let's get started the series on Arduino. So today we'll learn how to control Arduino by using a switch, and today we'll learn how to control Arduino by using a potentiometer. If you're new in this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell button. Also, no further excuses, let's get started. So hey guys, here you can see that there is a LED I'm using, and here is 1K ohm resistor, and I use a switch like this, and there's a hack in here. We doesn't use a particular resistor for a switch, we directly plug it, but there is a change in the program. I will show you. At first, the connections between our Arduino to our LED. At first, we pin it like that and we just connect it. So here we just did it. What will happen up here? So that's it, and look at the program. So guys, here is my program. You can see that here's the button pin 2 and LED pin 13 and button state 0 and pin mode LED pin output and pin mode button pin. Here is the main thing: input underscore pull up. Use this and don't need any type of resistor. Okay, remember that. If you don't use it, then you have to use a resistor. If you don't use this and if you use a resistor, then it's okay. And if you don't use this and you don't use a resistor, there's a big problem. Arduino board may burn out. Okay, so here's button state. I read the button state. If the button says high, as it is digital read 1 or 0 is high, and the LED will turn high, and else LED is low. So let's upload the program. At first verify it. Okay, it's right program. We'll just upload this into Arduino. At first plug the Arduino up here. We just plug the Arduino up here. We just plug it. Okay, you have to just plug it, and that's it. So you can see that what's happening up here. If I just can switch on the board, and that's it, and off, then we just press it left, press it left. So how can I make this program by using a single press and it's continuously blowing up? So let's do that program also. So connection is same, you just change the code here. So here you can see that the program out here, and this is a board, Arduino board. We just connected previously. We just how this program is work. We have to just show you. Then we have to upload it. Int LED state is high. And at first LED state is high, remember that. Then LED button state is that. We just declare its button state. But count the button state. Okay, the input signal we just count, and the button state is low. So this is a debounce time increase if the input is flickers. If there is a noise, okay. Last debounce time 0. Okay, I just here use a pull up because so that I don't use a resistor here. LED pin, LED state, okay. Read, digital read button pin. If reading is not equal to last button state, what is the last button state? So last button state is low. If it's high, this always been high. If we click it first time, this program will run at first here. Last debounce time is equal to millis, and millis counts a huge amount of number. And even if you want to insert milli, you have to use is unsigned long this thing you have to use. Then you can store the value. And the if mils minus debounce time is greater than equal to debounce delay, and if reading is not equal to button state, the button state reading equal to button state, so that reading's value will be button state, and button state will be high. If button state is high, then LED state is not equal to LED state. My LED state at first it's turned on, and digital write LED spin last state, so LED last button state is reading. So let's see what happens when we just import the code. First time LED is just glowing, and second time is off, and then it's glowing and off. I just show you the code. The first time is LED always been on, off. So here is our first stanza, and the next by using a potentiometer. Don't be worried about. I will show you step by step how to control a LED brightness and blinking speed by using a potentiometer. So you can see that here is a potentiometer. Okay, so this is black. It stands for ground, and this is red color stands for 5-volt input, and this is signal. Okay, we read this by using an analog read. Remember this. Okay, so let's show you the code. So guys, you can see here. So what is happening is LED 13 and sensor pin is A2. We have to declare the sensor pin. And serial begin, I show you, and serial begin 9600. Pin mode LED output, and read the value of analog value, read is sensor pin, and then print the value digital write LED high volt value /4, LED low value /4. Here the delay is depends on LED spin. Okay, and remember this thing is will be near about 32 to 23. Here will be the value. I just make this, sorry. So that's, we have to just import it. At first importing this value, we have to just connect the right way. So here is a potentiometer. Okay, you can see that here is a potentiometer. So look at it there, and here's the potentiometer, and just open the switch. Okay, so it doesn't need it and throw out. So here is our pin, is connected by pin number A2. We use A2 and this pin. Okay, and this pin red color, we all know a 5-volt supply, so it doesn't use 5-volt supply for my LED. I use 3-volt supply for my LED and use 5-volt supply for my potentiometer. And last, ground pin always been a ground pin, never been changed. Okay, so there is it. Then we have to upload the code at first. Okay, so let's upload the code. Let's upload the code up here, and you can see that what's happening. It is blinking, and if we increase that, simultaneously is glowing. But if we just 1 2 1 2, it's like that. And if we just increase the value, then the blinking speed will increase. Okay, you might understand what's happening. So let's move on to the next program. In the next program, we also use a potentiometer in this program also, and we control LED brightness by using a potentiometer. So here is my program of LED by using a potentiometer, and you can see that the same thing is happening, but here there's a void loop. If the print value is 1000, then LED 250, and if else value is greater than equal to 900, the value is like that, and the same thing is happening at last. Okay, so let's upload the code up here. And sorry for that guys, I use 11 number pin for it because the 13 number pin is not a PWM pin. So okay, you understand what's happening? We just move on to the serial monitor. So I show you what's the serial monitor. So here that is a serial monitor, and click it, you can get a serial monitor up here. So that's it. So hey guys, that's it today. If you like this video, then click the like button, and if you're new in this channel, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell button also. And if you had any type of query, there is a comment section that's for you after this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.